the fuck is going on with this ship. Because I gotta be honest, it feels like there's some like evil, like literal evil going on down there.
Let's just stay calm and relatively sane about this, okay?
The stuff I saw, it's like there were these old soldiers, they were bodies, they were dead, but then they came alive and...
That doesn't sound that crazy right about now.
I saw something. This old lady. I mean, she was batshit crazy and like dinosaur old. Not that that's a bad thing, but she just like up and vanished on me.
Alex wasn't the only Alex.
What are you talking about?
There were things walking around with his face on them. Alex's face. It was horrifying.
Julia, I'd never hurt you. You know that, right?
No, I know. It's just...
Let's time out, okay? This place is too fucked up to just be fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I mean, like, something is going on here. So what do we know for sure that we can all agree on?
That gold should be around you, right? Anybody catch a glimpse of it?
Manchurian gold isn't actually gold. It's a fucking chemical and it's leaking all over cargo hold too. I found this safety manual. It seemed to be geared at people who have to handle chemicals that can cause heart palpitations.
We found a guy who died of a heart attack. Real sudden. Unexplained. What do you think actually happened on this ship?
Haven't got a clue.
The ship was bound for San Francisco, but it hailed from a water purification plant in China. Apparently that's where it picked up the Manchurian gold.
Looked like the newspaper was from 1947.
There's some unnatural shit going on here. It is unsuper freaking natural.
Everything about this place is wrong.
Anyone figure out what happened to all the sailors? Did they catch a rescue boat or something?
Good God, everything about this ship just screams tomb.
So where did all the corpses come from?
Apparently, getting scared to death is an actual thing, because I'm pretty sure that's what happened to these guys.
We know more than we did before. That's something at least.
We're wasting time. Whatever we do, we have to do it now.
Time to get off this ship.
We're not going anywhere without the distributor cap. The Duke needs it to run.
Hold on. This ship's gotta have a radio. If we can find it and use it,
That's great, but do you think it still works?
just need to find a way up there. We gotta get off this damn ship.
No shit. I think we're, speaking clinically, totally effed.
I know it's kind of crazy, but I wonder if the plane from the dive could have been shot down by this ship. Well, these are ruined. Can't use them.
Find a way up?
Sadly, no, but I'll keep my eyes open. Come on now. Oh, wonderful. Instructions on how to use a gas mask. No mention of disintegration. Hey! Over here, help me out!
I think this is our way up. Give me a lift. I'll pull you up.
This is where I chased Conrad before.
Huh. I thought it looked familiar.
Hey, come here. Here's a way through. The last entry, according to this, they ran into one hell of a storm.
Find a radio yet?
No, but there's gotta be a radio on this ship. There has to be.
Not exactly confident about our chances of survival at this point.
Something's wrong here. If you were headed to San Francisco, you'd be crazy to take this route.
It's almost like they didn't want anyone to know they were coming.
Like hide and seek out in the ocean? Blown off course, bad cloud cover, but they couldn't get a read on their bearings. Oh, dear God. He died trying to get an SOS out. This must have been horrible. Hey, here.
No freaking way. This thing actually still works?
All right, there goes nothing. Good old shortwave radio. It's a number station. Military bandit.
Let's ask them for help.
Come in, please. Do you read us? Over. Okay. At least there's someone listening. The signal's in and out, though. If you can hear me, we're on board an abandoned freighter. 12 degrees, 30 minutes south. 151 degrees, 20 minutes west. Over.
Please repeat. Please repeat. Over.
Thank you, sir. Okay, I believe the name of the vessel is the Medan. Over. Come in, over. Come in, please, anyone. Come in, over. Come on!
Yo, guys, check it out.
Hey, look at this. This has got to lead somewhere. Maybe we can find a way to get the power back.
We need to get that radio working.
I think someone should wait here in case a message comes through.
I gotta be honest. I don't think I'm gonna make it down there in my shape.
I'll go, obviously.
I can do this. I should be the one to go.
Hey, little bro.
What's up?
I'm thinking you might deserve a promotion. How's medium bro sound?
What are you talking about?
You stepped up to the plate. Put yourself right in the line of fire.
You're kind of mixing metaphors there.
Not if the picture's a machine gun. I'm impressed. Seriously.
So what do you think?
Hey, if you're sure you're up for it, I believe you got it, bro.
I'm coming too.
Hey, what? Julia, no.
You're not my bodyguard. I can take care of myself.
Whoa, whoa. If Julia says she can handle it, she can handle it. Case closed.
Okay, Julia. It's you and I.
Any broken bones? Everything still work?
Everyone okay?
We're okay.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna have to find the generator. If we can get it started, we can power up the radio.
Okay, we'll wait here by the radio. Here.
Hey,
After you.
guessing these are the lower levels of the ship.
So I guess there was a fight or something? Dude named Charlie ended up in the brig. 10 days. That's quite a stint for a little fight. Someone named Joe was in sickbay.
I wish I could actually, enjoy this.
What the hell are you talking about?
Well, in any other circumstance, this place would be the coolest place to explore, like ever.
I'm gonna say no. Not at all.
Says the girl who couldn't wait to dive a wreck.
Shut up. Oh, barf. Maybe this was somebody's son from on board? Hey! Look at this.
Looks like the engine room.
Good place to find a generator, right?
The ladder's broken off here. I think I can just...
Wait! Are you okay?
Yeah, all good. Just come down. Oh, God.
What's up?
That, it was... Wait, did you see it?
Hello?
Okay, so I'm seeing things, but you're not. Okay, so Follow my thinking here. We know this ship was carrying the Manchurian gold, but that was really some sort of hallucinogenic bioweapon developed in China during World War II. And we know that it was super unstable and leaked all over the ship. So maybe it's still here? Maybe it hasn't dispersed after 70 years and it's having the same effect on us, paranoid hallucinations. All this crazy shit we're seeing, none of it's real.
The crew was hallucinating. We know they were scared of something, and the officers thought it was just a bunch of jumpy GIs trying to get out of guard duty.
This isn't a ghost ship, it's a floating bioweapon.
This couldn't have anything to do with the plane wreck we dived.
Okay, so the plane was a search and rescue. It came out here because the people on this ship sent a distress signal. We know that. But I guess at that point, the fog had done its damage, and for whatever reason, they shot the plane down. I mean, who knows what the hell they were thinking, or thought they saw?
Oh, God. All right, let's get going. You know what I miss right now?
Dry clothes?
Yeah. I got it!
Yes! This thing still works. Yeah, this is definitely what we're looking for. No wonder the power keeps cutting out. Just throw the switch, and let's get back upstairs.
Okay, let's get back upstairs. There's gotta be another way up.
We lost power, but we have it back. Can you hear me? Over.
Please state your situation. Over.
We need help, now. There are things on the ship that are trying to hurt us. Over.
Recovery mission is en route to your location. Over. Location is confirmed.
Come on, work them in.
Look at this.
Oh, hey, it's the rebreather. The fisherman must have brought it over from the Duke of Milan.
You think it still works?
Looks like it's got a little juice left. Maybe a couple of minutes. Should we bring it with us? I mean, it's heavy.
Hell yeah, we should. Half the boat is submerged.
Salaud, je sais ce que t'essaies de faire. De quoi tu parles? Tu veux me tuer? Hein? Mais c'est moi qui vais te tuer. Dis-moi seulement où est ce putain d'or?
T'as perdu la tête ou quoi? Non. Je t'en prie. Non.
Je t'ai dit de la fermer, sale menteur! Ferme ta gueule de merde! Tu dis n'importe quoi! Tout ce que tu racontes, c'est des conneries! Alors, ferme ta sale gueule de merde!
Écoute. Écoute-moi. Non. Fais pas ça. Ta gueule. Ah!
Je t'avais dit de fermer ta gueule!
Oh, fuck.
There's no use hiding, you little fucks. What's the problem with sharing all that gold, eh? There must be plenty of that to go around, more than enough. And we're all in this together, right? Trying to cut me out of the deal? You can't have all the gold. Aha! Hey!
Lock it! Oh my god, lock it! Are we safe? Please tell me we're safe.
Yeah, totally. I mean, these doors were meant to withstand all sorts of stuff.
Okay. Okay. None of you move. None of you go all changing on me now. Turn around. Slow. Real slow.
Oh,
Okay. All right. Not changing. None of that. Raise your hands up. Slow. No, no. Not like that. I said no changing.
Please, we've got no problem with you. We just want to get out of here. Please.
I'm sorry, but if you're breathing, then you don't got much of a choice in the matter. You don't got a say. Ah! Not again! It's all gone changing on me!
What? What's changing?
Stay away! Stay back from the mist!
what? There's no mist, man!
Don't breathe it! Don't breathe the mist!
Why can't we breathe the mist? What does it do?
It's life. Bringing things to life that shouldn't be alive. It's inside now. Inside with us now.
Please just calm down.
Stop! Stop! It's in one of us, isn't it?
I haven't breathed any weird mist. Please, I promise.
Yeah, you breathed in the mist. It's happening. I can feel it.
Okay, all right, look, there was, something back there. Maybe a mist or fog, maybe?
I knew it. I told you. Did you breathe it in?
No, look, we held our breath. We did not breathe any of that stuff.
Oh, really? I know you're all fancy divers, but you expect me to buy that? We've been down here for hours. You've been holding your breath this whole time. You're holding your breath right now. Oh, God. It's in me. I got the mist in me, don't I? It's in me, isn't it? I can feel it swirling around in there. It's changing me. On the inside.
Hey, man, come on, just put the...
Oh, fucking shit.
Holy shit.
Wait by the radio.
Why?
I'm gonna check the next level. There might be some more gear down there we can use. I'm not going far. Just wait by the radio.
I'm gonna hang back here as well.
Stay by the radio. We need someone to keep listening.
Aye, aye, Cap.
I saw the big guy. He had the distributor cap. We gotta go after him.
Over here.
This must have been what we just heard.
Oh no, what's that?
Doesn't matter. We need that distributor cap. Here! He had to have come this way. Holy crap. Look at that shit.
Think we can make it across?
Sure. Oh, what? There's something here.
I'm not gonna make this jump, Alex. I'll have to find another way around. Alex. That's an order. Alex, I need you to listen to me, okay? Something is wrong, so just try not to panic.
Okay, guess it's time to see if it's working. Fucker that took our boat. I thought there was gold. He wanted the gold. That's all this was about. Manchurian gold. Well, that turned out to be quite a bit different than we expected.
You know, I just keep going over it and over it, and it doesn't make any sense, you know? And I know what I saw. I just don't believe in whatever it was that I saw.
I saw Alex. It wasn't Alex, it was someone else. But they looked just like Alex, and he was sneering at me.
That's it. Game over. You're done. For now, at least. You could always try again, see if you can't do better next time around. Impressive. Almost everyone survived. Almost. It's all about decisions, isn't it? Decisions made in a hurry, in a panic, made with the heart instead of the head, or vice versa. Sometimes those decisions take a long time to have repercussions. But there are repercussions. There are always repercussions. Till we meet again. Maybe in Little Hope, maybe somewhere else. But be certain, we will meet again. It's inevitable.
Hey,
Alex,
hey,
I don't feel
are you
good.
okay?
Oh,
Shit, shit! This is decompression sickness. We came up too fast. Oh, shit! Come on! Come on! Come on, Julia! Come on! Come on!
I just saw someone in the woods.
Whoever it was, they're gone.
Okay, very good. Who's there?
I fashioned her with my own hand.